Hello students, today we are going to solve practice set 4.1 of 10th standard maths part 1st algebra in that chapter number 4 financial planning. Question number 1, Pawan Medical supplies medicine on some medicines, the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? Here in this rate of GST is 12%. No? Now we have to find out the rate of CGST and SGST. We know that rate of CGST equal to rate of SGST, that is GST divided by 2, that is 12 by 2, that is 6%. Okay, so let's write rate of GST. Rate of GST is 12%. Therefore, rate of CGST equal to rate of SGST, that is 12 by, that is 6%, that is 6%. Okay, so write the answer. Therefore rate of CGST is 6% and rate of SGST is also 6%. Question number 2. On certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? Here it is given the rate of CGST. Right here, rate of, this is given, see, rate of CGST. CGST is 9%. Therefore, rate of CGST equal to rate of SGST, that is 9%. Here the first question is, what is the rate of SGST? Rate of CGST equal to rate of SGST, that is 9%, that is given. Okay, that is equal, no, equal. Then the second question is, and what is the rate of GST? Therefore, rate of GST is, rate of GST is equal to rate of CGST plus rate of SGST. This is 9% plus this is 9%. This is totally 18% rate of GST. Therefore, rate of GST is 18%. This is the answer. And here rate of, this is rate of SGST. Here also you can put like this because this is the question. Okay. Question number 3. Measures Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. See here in this taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. Then what is the taxable value of 2 tins is multiplied by 2, multiplying by this amount with 2. That is the taxable value for 2 tins. Then rate of GST is 28%. Rate of GST is 28%. Then what is the rate of CGST or SGST is divided by 2. That is 14. This is the question. Then find the amount. Okay. Rate of CGST and SGST is 14%. 14%. Then we have to find out the amount. 14 means what? 14% out of 100. No, out of 100. So find out the amount. This is 2,800 multiplied by 2. That we have to find out. That will give the amount of CGST or SGST charged in the tax invoice. Okay. So let's write now taxable value. Value of each tin. Each tin is rupees 2,800. 2,800. Therefore, taxable value of 2 tins is 2800 multiplied by 2. That is 2 0 is 0, 2 0 is 0, 8 2 is 16, 1 2 2 is 4 and 5. This is rupees. Taxable value of 2 tins is rupees 5600. Now rate of GST. Rate of GST is 28%. Now then find the amount of GST. We have to find out rate of CGST and SGST. Therefore, rate of CGST, okay, CGST equal to rate of SGST. That is 28 divided by 2 is 14%. That is 14%. This is 14% out of 100. Percentage means what? Out of 100, no, 100, 14 out of 100. We have to find out for 5600. So therefore CGST is 14% of this rupees 5600. Therefore 14,000 means 14% means out of 100. We have to find out for 5600. This 2 0, this 2 0 gone. So now this is 56 point multiplied by 14. Then 56. 4, 8 and 5 to 7. This is rupees 784. CGST. Therefore we know that CGST equal to S rate of CGST equal to rate of this is not rate, it is amount, no, this is amount. Therefore CGST equal to SGST, that is rupees 784. So write the answer now. Answer is the amount of CGST is rupees 784 and SGST is rupees 784 for charged in the tax invoice. So it is from the question. Okay. Question number 4. The taxable value of a wristwatch belt is rupees 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? Here the taxable value of a wristwatch belt is rupees 586. Okay. So let's write the taxable value. Taxable value is rupees 586 rupees and the rate of GST. Rate of GST is 18%. Therefore, rate of CGST equal to rate of SGST. That we know 18. Rate of GST is 18%. That rate of CGST is 9 divided by 2 is 9%. Therefore, CGST is 9% out of rupees 586. No, 586. Therefore, this is 9 out of 100. Percent means what? 100. For 586 that we have to find out. So here simplification is, let's write simplification. This is 2 table. Let's take 2 table. 2 5s are 10, 250 times. Here it is 2 2s are 4, 1 remain 19. No, 9 times, 2 9s are 18, then 2 3s are So we have to see, this is 293 multiplied by 9 divided by 50. 9 3 is a 27, 81, 9 9 is 81, 82, 83, 8, 9 2 is 18, 26 divided by 50. This is 50. Let's do yes. 26, 37. 37 divided by 50. So 26 is not going, so 263 we have to take till here. 50 how many times 200? 50 100 is 2 for 204, then 1 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. So 3 1, then take 7, this 7, 137. 500 is 100 2 times, only 2 times. 100, 7 and 3, decimal point, then take 1 0, 370. For 100 2 times, 204, 306, then 7 times. So 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35. 0, then 2. Take another 0, 4 times. 200, 0. So answer is 52.74. This is CGST, that is CGST equal to SGST, that is 52.74. This is rupees. Okay, this is rupees. Now amount, therefore amount to be paid, amount to be paid by customer. Okay, amount to be paid by a customer, that is, first comes taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. This is the total amount that customer has to pay to the, okay, therefore taxable value, what is the taxable value, is 586 plus CGST is 52.74 and ST also 52.74. we have to add all this 586, this is taxable value, now 52.74, another 52.74, 4 4s are 8, 14, 1 carry, 6 to 8, 10, 11, 1 carry, 9, okay, 5 5 10, 19, 691. So therefore this is 691.48 rupees. Okay, so therefore answer is, from the question, the price of the belt, the price of the belt for the customer, for the is rupees 691.48. Okay, now question number 5. The total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value, CGST and SGST, for this toy car. See, here we have to find the taxable value. The taxable value is not given. The total value of a toy car with GST is given, that is rupees 1770. So first we have to, let's consider that taxable value be X. Okay, let us assume that, let the taxable value, of car be X. This is rupees X. Okay, X. And the rate of GST is 18%. Therefore GST is GST is 18% of X. That is, therefore, 18% out of 100, no, out of 100. For X, how much? So that is 18X divided by 100. This is GST. This is GST. See here, the total value of car. See the total value of car, including GST, including, see, with GST, that is, see, total value of car including GST, that is taxable value plus taxable value plus GST. That is here taxable value is X plus this GST. GST is 18X plus 100. See, this taxable value is X, no, that is X plus GST is 18X by 100. So this is fraction. We have to add, that is, you have to take the LCM of this. 100 is LCM. So here it is 1. Nothing is there. So 100X. 1 multiplied by 100 means what? 100X. Here 100 it is already there. So 18X. See. Okay. So this is 100X plus 18X is 118X divided by 100. This is total value of a car including GST. Here write rupees 118X divided by 100. Here also write this is also rupees. This is also rupees. But here it is given the total value of a remote control car with GST, that is 1770. So therefore, but the total value of car with the GST is rupees 1770. That is 118X divided by 100 equal to 1770. See the total value of car including GST. That is given. This is given. See, this is given. Okay. Now cross multiplication. That is, therefore, 118X equal to 1770 multiplied by 100. Therefore, X, we have to find out X. Here it is X. Therefore, 1770 multiplied by 100 divided by 118. X we have to find out. So here this is 250 times 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are. Then see, I'll do the simplification here. See, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 1 remain 19, 2 5s are 19. Then 8 times 16, 1 remain another 17, 8 times, 1 remain 5 times. So 885 multiplied by 100 is 885 and 20 divided by 59. For this, see, this is first take 88 only once. Okay, 88 by 59, 9. Okay, then 7. Okay, this is 88, 59, 18, 9. Here 7, 7 by 2. Then take 5. 59 how many times? See, 295. 295. 5 times. 5 times 295. Then 20. See, if you want to do like this also, see, 885 divided by 59. Okay, 59 only one time. This is 59, 9, and this is 2. Then 5, take 2. This is 5 times, see, 429. Then 0, add to 0. This is what the answer is. Therefore, here I'll write the answer, 1500. This is what? This is X. What is X here? X is taxable value of, therefore, rupees. The taxable value of car is rupees 1500. Just highlight it because this is the question here. See, yeah, find the taxable value. Also you have to find out CGST and SGST. Okay, the taxable value of car is 1500. Now we have to find out CGST and SGST. For this, what is the GST here? GST is, see, 18x divided by 100. What is X? X is a taxable value, that is X is 1500. That is 18 multiplied by X. X value that we have to put 1500. 1500 divided by 100. 0, 0 gone. So 18 multiplied by 15. 270. GST is 270 rupees. GST is rupees 270. Therefore, now see, GST is rupees 270. Therefore, CGST equal to SGST. That is 270 divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 135. CGST and SGST is rupees 135. Therefore, CGST equal to SGST is 135. Okay, so this is the question here. CGST and SGST for this toy car. Find the tax. One is taxable value here. See, here's taxable value. This is the question. And another one is CGST and SGST is 135. Okay, this is rupees 135. Okay. Question number 6. Tip-Top Electronics supplied on AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. Rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in the tax invoice of Tip-Top Electronics. There are 6. This is question number 6. There are 6 sub questions. First one is rate of SGST that we have to find out. Rate of GST on AC. Third sub question is taxable value of AC. Fourth one is total amount of GST, amount of CGST, and sixth one is amount of SGST. See here, Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of AC supplied is rupees 51,200. So first question is rate of SGST. See here, rate of CGST is given. We know that rate of CGST equal to rate of SGST. No, that we know. CGST is 14%. Therefore, rate of SGST is also 14%. So solution part. Rate of CGST is rate of CGST on AC that is AC that is 14%. This is given. No, this is given. Therefore, rate of SGST on AC also 14%. 14%. See, this is the answer we require. So just highlight it. Okay. This is first question. First sub question. Now second sub question is rate of GST on AC. Rate of GST, how to find out the rate of GST? Rate of GST we have to find out rate of CGST plus rate of SGST, that gives rate of GST. No? Therefore, rate of GST. So let's write rate of second sub question, rate of GST on AC, rate of GST. Rate of GST on AC is rate of CGST plus rate of SGST, rate of SGST, that is 14 plus 14, 14% plus 14%, that is 28%. Rate of GST on AC is 28%. Let's write rate of GST on AC. Just underline, because this is the answer for the second question. Now, third one is taxable value of AC. Here, taxable value of AC is not given, that we have to find out. See, total cost of AC is rupees 51,200 rupees with GST. That is given. Taxable value of AC, that we have to find out. See, this is how to find out taxable value of AC, because this question number 5 we have solved, no? To find out taxable value. Same way we have to find out, okay? Let's assume the taxable value be X rupees, okay? Third one, let taxable value of AC, let taxable value of AC be rupees X. Now we know that GST is 28%, no? GST, rate of GST is 28%. So amount of GST we have to find out. How to find out amount of GST? That is 28 out of 100. For X we have to find out. Therefore, amount of GST is, that is 28 for out of 100. For X, for taxable, for X how much? That we have to find out. That is 28X divided by 100. This is amount of GST. Okay, amount of GST is 28X. Now total value of AC. Okay, total value of AC. What? How we can find out? For that, taxable value plus GST, amount of GST, taxable value and plus GST. That is X, taxable value is X, that is, you have considered that is X, plus GST is this amount of GST, that is 28X divided by 100. Now we have to add this. How to add? Here we have to take the LCM. 100. Here it is denominator 1. So 1 multiplied by 100. So X multiplied by 100. So 100X plus 100 is already there. So 28X. That is 100X plus 28X. 128X divided by 100. This is total value of AC. But total cost of AC it's given here. Cost of the AC supplied in total cost is 51,200. Okay, so but total cost of AC, including GST, AC including GST. Okay, GST that is given is 21,000 rupees, 51,200. Okay, 51,200. That is total cost of AC is including GST is 51. That is given. But here total value of AC is, that means that is 128X. This is total value of AC divided by 100 is, that is given 51,200. No, this is given. Now we have to cross multiply. This is cross multiply. Therefore, this is 128X equal to 51,200 multiplied by 100. Now we have to find out X. Therefore, X is 128X. So we have to find out X. So this will go to the numerator, 51,200 multiplied by 100, and 128 comes to the denominator. Here, see, this is 8 table. Okay, 8 table. 8 ones are 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, no, 48. 8 6 are 48. Okay, 8 6 are 48. Now here this is 51. 8 6 are 48. 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, then 32. 3 remain, 32. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Then 2 0. These 2 0. This is again 4 4s are 16. This is 4 1s are 2 remain, 24. 4 6 are 24. Then 2 0. 2 0. Again it is 4 1s are. This is 4 4s are 16. 400. 400 multiplied by 100. This is 400 multiplied by 100. That is 20. Add 20. That is 40,000. What is this 40,000? 40,000 is taxable value. Here it is, see. But total cost of AC including GSTs. So we have to find out taxable value. X is taxable value. What is X here? See, we have considered, let taxable value be X. Therefore 40,000, that is what we have to find out. Taxable value of AC. That is taxable value of AC is rupees 40,000. Okay. Now fourth sub question is total amount of GST. Fourth sub question. Now we have to find out total amount of GST, that is total amount of GST. Total amount of GST. How to find out total amount of GST? Total amount of GST is total cost, say cost of AC with the GST, that is 51,200. Okay. Total cost minus taxable value. Okay. Total amount of GST is total cost. Okay. Total cost including with the GST. With GST minus taxable value. Taxable value. That is total cost is 51,200 minus taxable value is 40,000. 40,000. So here 51,200, then 40,000. 40,000. 0 0, then 2. Here it is 1 5 5 1. So this is 11,200. Okay. 51,200 minus 40,000 is 11,200 rupees. Rupees 11,200. We'll write here total GST. Okay. Total amount of GST, that is total GST is rupees 11,200. Fifth one is question number 5. GST. Okay, 11,200. Question number, no, not question number 5. Sub question number. Amount of CGST. See how to find out amount of CGST. See here, CGST plus SGST, that gives GST. No? So amount of CGST, we have to find out amount of CGST, that is GST divided by 2. GST divided by 2, that gives CGST. No? So fifth sub question, amount of CGST. Amount of CGST is, how to find out amount? This total GST. Total GST divided by 2. That is total GST is 1,200 divided by 2. That is 2 5s are 10. 1 remain 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 0. 5,600. This is CGST. Amount of CGST is, we'll write here, amount of CGST is rupees 5,600. Okay. Now sixth sub question is amount of SGST. Easy, no? Amount of SGST. What is the amount of SGST? CGST equal to SGST. Amount of CGST is 5,600. Amount of SGST also the same price, rupees 5,600. So let's write amount of CGST equal to amount of SGST, that is rupees 5,600. Therefore, question is amount of SGST. Amount of SGST is rupees 5,600. Okay. Question number 7. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. Rate of GST charged was 28%. Find the purchase price of a washing machine. Also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. So here, a washing machine, here it is, see, the discount of 5% was given on the printed price of the rupees 40,000. So printed price of the washing machine is 40,000 off on discount of 5%. Okay. So we have to find out the discount amount. First we have to find out. So therefore, printed price of the washing machine, let's write printed price, the printed price of the washing machine. Washing machine is rupees 40,000. Rate of discount. Rate of discount is 5%. This is therefore discount is 5%. 5% out of 100. No, for we have to find out for 40,000. That is 2 zeros gone. Therefore, 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 20. 2,000. Discount is 2,000 rupees. 2,000. Okay. Discount is rupees 2,000. Now for this we have to find out taxable value. Okay. For that taxable value we have to find out. For that printed price minus discount. Taxable value, that is printed price is 40,000 minus discount is 2,000. That is 40,000 minus 2,000 is 38,000. This is rupees. 38,000 rupees. Taxable value is 38,000. Okay. Here, see, rate of GST is charged was 28%. No, therefore rate of GST. Therefore, rate of GST is 28%. Therefore, rate of CGST. What is the rate of CGST? Rate of CGST is divided by 2. GST divided by 2. That is 14%. Also, rate of SGST also 14%. 14%. Now this CGST, therefore CGST is 14 out of 100. No, or 14 out of 100. For now, if we have to find out for this taxable value 38,000. We have to find out for 38,000. This 0 is gone. So 380 multiplied by 14. So 380. 2, 13, 5. This is CGST is 5,320. This is rupees 5,320. If CGST is amount for CGST is rupees 5,320. Therefore, amount of SGST also rupees 5,320. Therefore, we'll write CGST equal to SGST is rupees 5,320. That is, also find the amount of CGST and SGST. Okay, that is shown in the invoice, that is rupees 5,320. Now we have to find the purchase price of the washing machine. So this is the question, just underline it. Answer you have to underline. Now purchase price, find the purchase price of the washing machine. Purchase of the washing machine purchase price of the washing machine is, what is the purchase, how to find out purchase price of the washing machine? That is taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. Okay, the taxable value equal to taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. Okay, so what is taxable value? Where is taxable? 38,000 plus CGST, that is 5,320 plus CGST also, SGST also 5,320. So we have to add all this. Okay, this is 38,000, then 5,320, then 5,320. 0, 4, 6, 10, 10, 18. This is 48,640. This is 48,640. So we have to write the answer here. Prasad paid rupees 48,640 for washing machine. Okay, underline. Okay, so students, this practice set 4.1 has got over. If you have any doubt, any confusion, do let me know in the comment section. Also like and share with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're watching my video for the first time. Okay, so okay then, bye.